forest there was an elephant. The elephant wandered into the jungle in search of friends. He saw a monkey on the tree. "Hello, monkey. Will you be my friend?" The monkey replied, "You are too big. You can't swing from trees like me." The next day, elephant met one duck which is swimming in the water. The elephant asked, "Will you be my friend?" The duck replied, "No, you are too big. You can't play with me always in the water." The elephant then met one deer. "Will you be my friend?" The deer replied, "No, you are too big. You can't run fastly like me." The elephant was upset. And the next day, the fox appeared. The elephant asked the fox, "Will you be happy to have a friend like me?" The fox replied, "Sorry, sir, you are too big." The next day, the elephant saw all the animals are running in the forest. The elephant asked the fox, "What is the matter?" The fox replied, "There is a lion and he is trying to kill all of us. All the animals are running away to hide." Meanwhile, the lion was eating animals whatever he could find. Then the elephant went to the lion and said, "Please, Mr. Lion, don't eat all these poor animals." Then the lion replied, "Mind your own business." The elephant had no choice but to give the lion the hefty kick. The frightened lion ran away for his life. The elephant announced the good news to all the animals. All animals said, "You are the right size to be our friend." The elephant felt happy. So, what is the moral in this story, children? A friend in need is a friend indeed. Hope you got it. See you soon. Bye bye.